We're going to replant the Ranunculus ones that we took out of those baskets. Don't need a lot. We'll mix it in. Like this. Okay, let's see if we can get the middle. Get this guy in there. Him at one end. I'm going to put the other one at the other side. Like that. Right. We need to put more dirt around the outside. And we'll see how this one does. I don't know. I should trim all this off. Maybe I'll just kind of trim all this off. All the dead stuff. Right? I'm thinking they got too much water. Or maybe too much sun. Trim him off right there. I'm going to trim him off right there. So, there we go. Now I'll water it and then we'll see what happens. I'll put it out in the sun. Okay, here it is. I transplanted both of them into the same pot. They're two different colors, but hopefully they come back. So I thought I'd put them in the sun for now. Anyhow, thanks for watching.